Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and I wanted to show you some fun ways that you can use the WindowRama Winter Photo Frame card kit. You get 8 sets of all of the card pieces, plus you have a fun little clear stamp set. And if you're a crafter, you can go far beyond its original simple way of simply adding and personalizing with your photos and make a cute little frame that will go flat into an envelope. But you can see here, you can also make it a presentation for a gift card. The slots are there to either put in a gift card or to insert your photos. And on this one, you can see the little tabs allow the photo to just slip into place. You can turn these panels either direction, and you can, besides using them for photo frames, which can be embellished with any of your other designs like these from the Point of Purchase Christmas series. But this one I used simply to make a cute little card out of it. And you can add a personal message or another little panel on the back. And all of these coordinate with our WindowRama cutting dies. So if you have these, all the sizes will fit perfectly to customize it. And on this one, as you can see, I simply did another panel of blue paper and did all of my stamping and coloring for a beautiful little window view there. So enjoy making them whatever way you want. You can have the little cutout pieces that extend beyond the side, and it'll still go flat into your envelope. And you can personalize your message on the back with any stamps. So I hope you'll have lots of fun personalizing your own winter photo frames.